Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the ARA Cardano targets updates with my customer set. Congrats everybody who watched the previous videos and who had the limit orders to buy, because we landed once again inside the accumulation zone what we tracked since zone 22. So 32 cents, 11 cents. This is a more than okay zone for accumulation for the spot position if you want to accumulate ARA for a long run, you know. Now all crypto space start talking about the reasons why we dump it, why the market crash. I have no idea what's the point to analyze after the fact what was the reason of that dump. If you knew potential some trigger which can be the reason of that dump, you could be ready, right? But if dump is already happened, what's the point to find the reason why it's happening? It doesn't give any information what to do now. If you watched the previous videos, guys, you know what to do now. And if you got a plan to accumulate the ARA at 32 cents or 11 cents inside the global accumulation zone, and you should be ready to see, for example, now we traded 25 and you should be ready mentally to see the 11 cents. If you're not ready, not touch this token. But if you're ready, I think it will be not a mistake. Accumulate now for potential targets. The yearly open test, it was the take profit line yearly open when I analyzed in December, you know. So need to double check now we're at this current the take profit line, right? Because the lines are dynamic. But I'm more than sure with deeper dump to 11 cents or without, we will rebound to the yearly open of zone 25 around 84 cents. And with the next targets, $1.91. And $1.91 can be the end of run for Cardano. Globally, yes, just like speculation, Cardano one day will reach, I guess, 455. It's just a matter of time if, of course, the Cardano will be still exist on centralized exchanges. Also, you could see the post from Charles Hoskinson when he claimed he lost the 3 billion. I don't know. I didn't see the confirmation of the liquidation or I don't know, some proofs. So he can say whatever he wants, right, basically. But if he lost that amount of money, it's kind of interesting one. So once again, even the biggest guys in this market have no idea what are they doing, and if they lose the money, it means or they lose with the leverage trading without a stop losses, or they just in temporary losses if we talk about a spot position. And maybe they caught their losses. So we can't know. That's why, guys, we have to build our own plan and not be trapped with all of these old gurus who have no idea what to do now, especially after BTC stop, repeat the same patterns all the time. All right, so the targets, guys, still in play. Let's take a look. ADZ direction. This is a level of accumulation like based on ADZ only indicator on the weekly time frame, like June 25. What's happened next? You can see on the chart. Now we're in the same level, even a little bit lower or equal. Also, the accumulation was in October 23. What happened next? You know, this is also with accumulation, and yes, we dump it lower from 46 dump to 22, 50% more. That's why if you're not ready to see 50% more from current prices, don't touch the ARA. But you can build a plan. And for example, only now in zone of interest, we can start use the DCA, because the people all the time, influencer, I mean, they recommend you use DCA. No matter what happened, buy the dip. It's just a wrong behavior. Because you buy in here, you buy in here, you buy in here, you buy in here, and now you don't have any stable coins. But you have to use the stable coins here for DCA only in zone of interest. And this zone of interest we track since zone 22, and nothing changed. So you can buy, for example, 25, some amount of money. And after that, if the token will drop to 11, you buy it again, and your average entry will be approximately 17, for example. After that, at 34, when we retest this hypothetical downtrend line, you withdraw initial deposit. And with the free tokens, without zero risk, right? Even ARA go to zero, zero risk. ARA go to $5, money from the air, zero risk, guys. So this is a plan. Now, based on direction indicator, some of accumulation since end of December. It's good. Maybe some big guys accumulate, but they don't care about the time. Also, why I don't think so? We will drop 50% more, but we can, because it's totally different market stages, right? We can't compare the 2022, for example, when the biggest war in Europe for the last 70 years began in Ukraine. You know, we can't compare that 2026. If, of course, some geopolitical stuff will start, something terrible will start, of course, the market can crash at 50% even from now. So just be careful. We can't know the macro, what will happen tomorrow. We can't know. Maybe tomorrow World War III starts. We can't know. But we can build a plan, own plan. And the money management and the risk management is a key. By the way, there's no liquidation under. So 3 months liquidations level. So we hunt all liquidity under. Who liquidate under? Nobody. There is no liquidity pools. We grab all liquidity. I mean, the market makers. The liquidity pool is above. So this is the 3 months chart liquidity pool, 1 week time frame. Liquidation, nothing. So maybe we'll return back to liquidate over the 500,000 again. This one at 23.79. So more than real to see this weekend. So bounce to 27, for example, come back on a Monday or Tuesday to 23.79 to grab that liquidity more. So this is more than real. But the main one, liquidity and the stop losses, is over than 30 cents. So where that 30 cents? This one. So this is a main liquidation. Anyway, we walk from level to level. Take a look. We grab even some stop losses from the low of June 23, but it's kind of scary because it's not enough. I guess it's not enough. Yes, because we form just like actual lows. Maybe on the perp we liquidate more. No, same story. So yes, guys, be careful with the long position if you want to trade futures, because we can grab this liquidity one more time, you know, liquidate the early loans. And for the spot, I think it's more than okay. Start accumulate now, 25.11. Average entry 17 with the planned withdrawal initial deposit at 35. Now it's total disbelief, total capitulation on a weekly. First time ever in history, imagine, since this indicator data exists April 18, ARA in capitulation zone on the monthly. Wow, it's just mind-blowing. And imagine, you could not click any bottoms, buy, sell, just track one single indicator market mood and buy only when the asset land to the capitulation zone. The same story happened with the H bar. So I added alerts. Nobody could even imagine. So the H bar on the monthly time frame will drop to the capitulation zone. And I added that alerts just months ago. Oh, not a month ago. 6 days ago. So it was the January 31, not a December. Nice one. So sometimes, you know, even the worst case scenario is possible. Only now, guys, take a look at the monthly time frame. Only now the money start inflow in February into ARA. The same story was here in September 22, 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row. There was a money inflow, but we're going lower. That's why you have to be ready to see, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 till end of May drop to 11. I honestly don't think so. It will happen. I think that we will see the bounce now, but just you have to be ready. Yes. So now it's at least some signals of accumulation of the big guys on a monthly. Weekly time frame, the same story. Nice one. Trade on. Finally, we saw the take profit signal from the sales. Sales was in December 24. Imagine We could not click any bottoms, and only now, after the year, only now see the signal. So we need to close all short position and start looking some buy. But really, really soon, I guess, we will see the buy signal. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. Do you remember December? I posted the December somebody. No, not December 25. December 25, yes. It was the take profit line in November, December at yearly open, now a little bit lower. So it was just a few cents difference. 84.48, now it's 82.61. So this is take profit line. We trade on the value, so it's on the fundamental value of the token. So definitely it's more than okay to accumulate ARA. Even on the monthly time frame, we on the fundamental value of this token daily. What I can see more, it's just a drop to the fundamental value on the daily, 1995. 12 time frame, same story, 1838. Anyway, sooner or later, we're going to bounce to the take profit on a 12 time frame, 47.76. Daily, 52.78. Exit line, 59.80. And weekly, I showed you. A monthly take profit line is 69.98. So just a matter of time when we will bounce to the take profit line. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer cassette, what I showed in this video, just write me the DM and write plus in a comment below what you think about a Cardano current price chart. See you next time, guys.